Hi, my name is Jordan. Welcome to SALocations. I live in Houtbay, which is a small seaside fishing village surrounded by mountains, which you can see around me, which is part of Capetown in the southern peninsula of South Africa. I'm a location scout and I travel to locations from the beaches of Clifton to the opulent houses of Bishop's Court, but also the townships and the lesser known places. Join me as I travel throughout the country this year. And if you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'd see you there. Thank you.